welcome. Today's video is going to DIY. I'm going to be showing you how I did this table center slash christening memories that people could take from the table, and it's really easy and it's really fast. All items are from the dollar store. So you're obviously going to need this candle from the Rose collection I have bought from the dollar store. These are scented honey and lavender, and they have a lid, and that's what I love, that they have the lid and it's really secure and won't fall off. So it's a thumbs up for me. And I also got these crossed ornaments, and these are on the Christmas section. And that's basically it, what I have bought. The rest of the items I had in hand, like the hot glue gun and the hot glue, as well as some tape that I'm going to be using to cover the top. This Rose collection candles from the dollar store are like the most nicer ones, and they keep up the scent. I'm going to be hot gluing the cross to the candle, and you gotta make sure that it's not going down the little candle, so it's easy to prop in the table and it's not gonna flop or move around or anything like that. So you gotta make sure it's leveled. It's like very nice leveled on the bottom. I can't come up with another word besides level. You see, you can scratch and it's not going to stop anywhere. And that's basically it. You also got to make sure that you're not gluing it to the lid, so you're able to take the lid off. Like I told you, it's a little bit hard to take off, but that's a good. But just remember, when you're hot gluing, don't put a lot of hot glue right on the lid, and take out the lid when you're hot gluing. So let's get to hot gluing and everything. I'm going to start first with putting some tape on the label because it came off a little bit, and I don't want to for the rest of the labels to come off, so I'm going to tape it. Right here, after I had glue, I'm going to be taking off the strings and I'm going to save them, and you're going to see that we're going to be using them to hang the little sign that I made out of little paper, like sticker paper from Cricut that I originally wanted to stick on the bottle, but then I used the little strings to hang in them. You're going to see how.
With the table centers here, remember I told you to save those little the ornament ribbon. Is that what that's called? The ornament ribbon? The ornament ribbon. Because we were going to use it for something else. I did show you that we were going to put the little label on the side. But I came up with another better idea to use those little threading things and to hang it. Look it. We're going to hang it from the same spot that it was originally on, but we need to take it off in order to put this little label there. It's the same thing. It says my baptism, and there's Layla and the date. And I have left the thing here so I wouldn't hot glue to the thing right now. So I simply did my little label like I showed you. This is a sticker paper, or you can use label paper. And then with a needle, I just like did a couple of like in and out kind of thing. Focus camera! In and out kind of thing in here. Just did it 1, 2, 3, go. And then I have the little ribbon. And the little ribbon, we're going to, with the loopy side that it was on the ornament, we're going to help ourselves with the needle just to like put it in there, kind of like if you're sewing or knitting, and take out the other end of the thread or the ornament thing, loop it, and then you have your loop sign in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the ornament. The ornament had the original hole where it came from. We're just going to loop it back in there, like that. And then we're gonna open it, and now we're going to loop the whole entire little label here in there, and then put it to the side and pull, and just make it a little bit tight so it's not so dangly. And then you'll have your little thing here right on the side. Look, and it looks better. I think it looks better than having the label where I originally thought to put it. You have your little candle chest like that, and that is how they're all gonna look. Now I'm able to close them all since I was waiting for the hot glue to get cold, so I wouldn't have stuck on lids. But other than that, that's an easy way and a very affordable way to make a table center for a baptism or christening or anything religious. Even for Christmas, you can even do this if you find red or white candles. I didn't find white candles. I thought it would also be appropriate for the baptism. Luna. For white, but I didn't find them, and I was very in a hurry. And this one, I love violet. What is this? Lilac. As much as I love turquoise, so I thought this would be nice, and also kind of goes with gold. I mean, with silver. They also had the gold and white crosses at the dollar store, but we're going. The decorations are silver, so that's why I bought the silver glitter. The glitter does fall off. I had saved them here in this little thing, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but all the glitter is in there. So yeah, so literally it's just $2. They smell really nice. They smell like, it says here, these are the rose collection. They smell like lavender. These are the rose collection. It says to reduce their, yeah, honey lavender. It says here, honey lavender. Honey lavender right up here. You're probably not going to be able to read it. Honey lavender, and it's the rose collection notion. It's really nice. I like that it had a lid. It looks more than $1, I would think. The little candle, and kind of they go ippy up more on the thing. The paper here, it was a sticker Cricut thing, but I didn't want it to go and print it and all that shenanigans, so I wrote it with a Sharpie, a gray Sharpie. But yeah, you can also put it in some other little thing to make it look more pretty, like in a piece of wood or anything like that. But other than that, that is how I did my table centers for Layla's baptism. Hopefully you guys like it. Comment down below if you're gonna try it. If you do try it, I don't know, tag me in Instagram, say Nena's Crafts, and I can look at it and see what you guys make if you ever make it. But other than that, that is all for today's DIY baptism table center Dollar Tree supplies. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. And I hope you ring the bell to notify you when I have a new video. Comment down below if you think lilac and gray go well, or lilac and silver go well, or anything you like, to comment down below. Remember to check the description box for the link to my Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow me there, and hashtag Nena's Crafts so I can see your crafts if you ever do it. Other than that, that is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hi.